How to fix Binance login error on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the login error in the Binance app on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, find the Binance app on your mobile and press and hold the app for a few seconds. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on App Info. And here, once you're inside the app settings, simply tap on Clear Data, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Clear Cache of the app to fix the issue. Now, with that, next, open the Google Play Store and search for Binance app. Now here, simply tap on Binance app and update it if there is a new version available. Updating the Binance app can help to resolve the login error. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Binance login error on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.